2025 National Search for Sustainable and Eco-Friendly Schools National Awarding Ceremony.
Suddenly I'm seeing everything so different.
And today is meaningful because we are joined by a leader who recognizes that the strength of environmental governance lies not only in institutions, but in people.
I'm seeing everything. You make me wanna celebrate, celebrate, celebrate.
So while we celebrate the 272 regional and national champions produced since 2009, the work is far from over. Together, let us ensure that every school in this nation becomes a sanctuary of sustainability. Let us continue to build a world where green is not just a color, but green is a way of life.
We saw every moment is a song. I'm hearing everything.
Tuguegarao West Central School.
Celebrate, celebrate, celebrate.
Aurelio Arago Memorial National High School. Congratulations.
Celebrate tonight.
Isabela Santa Rosa Elementary School. Congratulations. Santiago North Central School.
Celebrate tonight.
Do not let this recognition be the finish line. Let it be the catalyst. We are not just looking for schools that are compliant on paper. We are looking for institutions that challenge the status quo, that find creative solutions to environmental crises, and that inspire the youth to lead with both heart and science.
You make me wanna celebrate, celebrate.